Hello everyone, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Lukman Rizky Putra and my student number is 25.
And my name Nama Prabudya Putra Inayan, my student number 29.
And we are from class AKI. Today we are gonna show our work. I'm hungry, let's go to snack.
Me too. Chips are tasty, but chocolate is tastier.
True, but ice cream is the tastiest.
Ice cream is good, but it melts quickly. A sandwich is more filling.
But sandwiches are too big.
How about cookies?
Cookies are good, but donuts are better for a sweet craving.
Donuts are soft, but chips are crunchy.
But donuts are the softest and sweetest.
Alright, it is. I hope they're fresher than last time.
Agreed, fresh donuts are the most delicious. That's all for today. Thank you.